Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. Thank you so much for stopping by. I have a design team project to show you. This is a little hardcover junk journal that I created using the A Walk in the Forest junk journal digital kit from A Whimsical Adventure, and I will link Anya's Etsy shop down below. She has a bunch of junk journal kits, but also a lot of digital scrapbooking and digital papers that are fabulous. So if you want to head over and check that out. And this will also be listed in my Etsy shop once this video is live, and I'll link that down below as well if you're interested. And it is 5.5 inches by 8.5 inches and 3 signatures, and I believe it's 140 pages front and back. And this fabric is probably a linen, but it's that kind of like, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but the nubby kind of linen fabric. Very neutral in color, and I've used a lot of Tim Holtz papers. Oh, I think it's the Wallflower collection. I can't remember, but you'll see them. They really go well with this digital kit. So we've got the little owl, and this is a collage with some cheesecloth and pieces of doilies, and this is a little faux oak leaf, a little mother of pearl button. Here's a little label hidden under here if you wanted to put the date you start the journal, or your initials, or your name. And then we've got a sari silk ribbon closure, and then a bunch of sari silk ruffles throughout. I just love the way that looks. So going inside, front and back cover have pockets, and I just tucked in a little journaling card. This is one of the Tim Holtz papers with some scraps on there. This is a label book plate from the kit. Love it. And just some washi tape also here. And then on this back cover, a little collaged journaling tag with some of the images from the kit. And then I've included a couple of little specimen envelopes throughout, or pockets, with, these are rose petals from my garden. I didn't seal them, I just clipped it. Just in case you wanted to take the dried petals out and use them somewhere. Oh, what I wanted to show you is I have these 3 journaling cards from the kit backed onto tea-dyed paper, and then I just attached some faux greenery to them, and they tuck in one on each signature. Here's another one of the tuck spots. Find the other. And then the other pocket is here, and then so you can see the greenery sticking out as well, but totally optional. So they're all just removable cards. You could also attach them to a page as a pocket or something like that if you wanted. This is one of the digital pages that I just shrunk down to create the pocket. From the kit. This is just from a vintage Wallflower book of mine. Oh, I mean, just love. And the inside papers coordinate with the end papers with some of the images. Some more of the washi. There's one of the ruffles, and then another one of the pages, and then there's tea-dyed pages. All of the digital journal pages are printed onto a parchment paper. Here's a pocket with a tag, and then a piece of a doily attached. And the tea-dyed pages from a nature book. Love that. I did decal a couple of the pages just for a little bit more texture and interest. Love that. And the nature book. Look at this one. Oh, just love the layering and all the different elements that Anya puts on the pages. The pocket here, this little pocket, and the tab and the field notes, all from the kit. I just printed some tea-dyed paper onto the back of that, and that just slips in little Tim Holtz paper clip. So lots of journaling space. Look at that. This is that tuck spot for the, if you wanted to add in the greenery or whatever you like, or nothing, and you could just journal around it. This is from a little children's book about the forest. Some green ribbon through there. Some more of the washi. This is also, this was actually, I've used this in a few journals, but this is a forest book that was mine in the 70s when I was a kid. A label from the kit. Oh, I think this is my favorite. Look at this. So beautiful. And another Sorry Silk ribbon ruffle. It's the other part of that kid's book. I just love the grunge. And then we've got this lady. And these moths and butterflies are also from the digital kit. That's a flip out. Here's a little pocket and another specimen. This is with a die cut butterfly in there and just grungy taped it closed. These are vintage negative, photo negative sleeves. And I actually think I would color these in with colored pencil or markers, the book pages like that. Oh, I totally missed on this, the vellum. Through that you can see the northern mockingbird and my business, Mockingbird in Maine, so I included that page. And then this is the other tuck spot there. And this is also one of the pages that I just reduced in size. Love that whole. Some more of the washi, another little ruffle there. Another. These are two images from the kit that I put together. And a little tab there. That's a flip out. Nature book page again. Here's another. Oh my goodness, so pretty. With some green and yellow Sorry Silk. And another of the deckled edged pages. Here is, it's a pocket. Here's a little tag I just made with some tea-dyed tracing paper, butterfly wings, and a little paper doily. And then this, there's a flip up and you could journal under there if you wanted. These also I colored with the alcohol ink. Oh, it's so pretty. We've got a big, we call them woodchucks here in New England, but groundhogs. We've got a big one living in our yard, and we're calling him Norm. So Norm is in the journal. Here's the other little library pocket with the field notes card and the tab. And this is just another little tuck spot if you wanted, well, if you wanted to tuck something in there. And green to match the closure. And then showed you that. So that's the journal. And we've got the journaling cards. And then this little book, I had this left over from another project, a printable. And this is from the kit, and I just glued that on the cover. Another paper clip there. And then this is just all extra stuff that really wouldn't fit in the journal. So another field notes card, a couple of pieces of tea-dyed paper if you want to try your journaling pens out, see if they bleed through or anything like that before writing in the journal. And then this was a scrap I turned into a tag shape with a little piece of muslin, and then it just opens up. You could journal in that or cut it up and use it to decorate your pages. And then this is, and let me grab, actually just use this. This is another of the, whoops, pockets with some ferns that I dried from my yard. Hope you can see that. And a little clip with some piece of a doily attached to the paper clip. And then over here, another piece to use to journal. And then I also included a couple more of the vintage envelopes, the vintage pockets, if you wanted to collect some of your own specimens and save them. And then this little bulb pin with a button and a couple of petals. This is just the tags, the tags from the kit that I reduced in size and printed out, kept them attached, and just created a little, printed on the back some grungy paper, and just created another little mini journaling spot. Or you could cut these apart and use them as pockets or tuck spots throughout the journal. Okay, so that is it, everyone. I hope you like it. Coming up, I am going to finally start getting to my list of tutorial-ish videos and craft with me videos that I've been wanting to do. Some were requested, some I just have been wanting to show you guys and hopefully give you some inspiration. So I hope that you will spend some more time with me with those videos. And in the comments down below, if you have something that you want to see or something you've seen in my videos that you want to just see how I did it, just let me know in the comments. And again, thanks so much, guys. I will see you back here again real soon. Bye.